Okay, so I'm on a mission to make some wings that aren't mushy. My kids and my wife hate my wings. They say when I smoke them, they get way too mushy. So I think I figured out a trick. I know I figured out a trick so they get a good snap to them. So I'll show you at the end. But first, I'm marinating up some wings. I put my temperature wireless things in there, and let's get the smoker running. Let's get a good cook on. It still runs. Look at that. Let's get the. What are we doing? Gotta get some more charcoal in there. That's pretty full. Of course, I'm going to wait inside for the grill to get up to temperature. So here we are, got my drip pan ready. I'm going to be loading up my wings, and I got a few thighs in there too. Since I was going to do smoking up some wings, I thought I'd throw my thighs on there since they were thawed out as well. You can hear the sizzle going. My thighs are done. I don't need to get those crispy, and they're already up to temp, so throw that in the snow. That's one nice thing about having a snowy deck. You can just throw that thing right on there. But yeah, so I throw my tin foil on my griddle top. I figured this out. I'm like, well, why the heck not? You know, I've been smoking all this time with my griddle insert in because it still gets up to temperature. So then I figured I'll just throw the tin foil down, and I can put my wings on top of my tin foil, or right on the griddle top, whatever, and it'll crisp it up and give it that nice crispy skin. I don't know why it took me so long, but after I did this, I got a nice snap to my wings. The kids, the wife, everybody ate them. Everybody's happy. So there you go. That's the trick. And man, oh man, I wish I would have done it sooner. So if you have a better way to cook wings to get them crispy in the smoker, let me know, because I just feel like mine were always mushy and I'd have to throw them in the broiler. Well, I wonder if I can just grab it like this. Yeah, I can. Nice. That was clean. Ooh, yum yum. Alright, that'll do. Well, Ginger and Tucker know what time it is. Yum yum, get you some. Alright, we're gonna give this a try. I like the flats, so we're gonna try the flats with the griddle top at the end. I like that griddle at the end because it gives it the little snap. It's not mushy. Sometimes when you smoke chicken wings, they get real mushy. And then turn up the heat at the end. Or this way, when you do the griddle, really good, but tasty. Tasty wings. 7 degrees outside. Still smoking on.